Welcome to the CVS class of continuity and the differentiability. Continuity concept tilkoku munche some basic definitions are important. First one is the limit of the functions. Limit of the functions means the number L is called limit of the functions f of x as x tends to a. For every epsilon greater than 0, there exists a corresponding real number delta greater than 0, such that the magnitude of f of x minus L is less than epsilon whenever x belongs to the domain of the function f 0 less than the magnitude of x minus a is less than delta, denoted by limit of f of x as x tends to a which is equal to L, or the number L is called the limit of the function f of x as x tends to a if x tends to a either from left or from right, then f of x tends to L is called as the limit of the function. In this case we see left hand limits and also right hand limit. Left hand limit means function f of x as x tends to a. If x tends to a either from left, then it is called as the left hand limits, denoted by limit of f of x as x tends to a minus which is equal to LHS. And right hand limits. Right hand limits means the function f of x as x tends to a. If x tends to a either from the right side, then it is called as the right hand limits, denoted by limit of f of x as x tends to a plus which is equal to L. If LHL and RHL exist and equal to the common value, then it is called as the limit of the function. If LHL exists to ಮತ್ತೆ RHL ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ exist ಆಗಿ equal to the common value ಗೆ equal ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇಫ್ f of x is equal to x square minus 9 over x minus 3, find limit of f of x as x tends to 3 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x as x tends to 3 which equal to limit of f of x means the function ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ x square minus 9 over x minus 3 as x tends to 3 which equal to limit of x square minus 9 is of the form x plus 3 and x minus 3. a square minus b square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು x plus 3 into x minus 3 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ over x minus 3 as x tends to 3. In this case x minus 3 get cancelled. So which equal to ನಾನು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 plus 3 which equal to 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x as x tends to 3 which equal to 6. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. f of 3 which equal to x ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 3 ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. f of 3 which equal to 3 square minus 9 over 3 minus 3 which equal to 0 by 0. This is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. So limit of the function is exist but the value of the function does not exist. So in this case further we come across the following indeterminate forms and evaluations of the limits. So that's a 0 by 0 form, infinity minus infinity form, 1 power infinity, 0 power 0 and infinity power infinity and infinity over infinity. They are meaningless. Limit of f of x as x tends to 3 which is not equal to f of 3. Limit of the function is exist but the value of the function does not exist. So some list of formula ಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. The first formula is limit of x power n minus a power n over x minus a as x tends to a which is equal to na power n minus 1, where n is rational number. Where n is rational number ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. The second one is limit of sin theta over theta.
Theta tends to 0 which is equal to 1.
And limit of tan theta as theta tends to 0 which is equal to 1. Where theta measured in the radians. Theta measured in radians. And third one is limit of e power x minus 1 over x. X tends to 0 which is equal to 1. And fourth one, limit of a power x minus 1 over x as x tends to 0 which is equal to log a. Log a. And fifth one is limit of 1 plus 1 over n whole power n as n stands to infinity. N stands to infinity which is equal to e, where e is exponential constant, that's value is approximately 2.7182. Limit of 1 plus x over to the power 1 over x as x tends to 0 which is equal to e, where e is the exponential constant, that's value is 2.7182. And lastly, limit of log of 1 plus x over x as x tends to 0 which is equal to 1. And we see the logarithmic formulas. Log mn to the base a which is equal to log m base a plus log n to the base a. And second one is log m over m to the base a which is equal to log m base a minus log n base a. Log m power n base a which is equal to n log m base a. And fourth one is log mnp to the base a which is equal to log m base a plus log n base a plus log p base a. And fifth one is log m base n which is equal to log m base a over log n base a. And sixth one is log a base b, log a base b which is equal to 1 over log b base a, log b base a. And seventh one is log a base a which is equal to 1. Log a value is always equal to 1. And log 1 value base a which is equal to 0. And log 0 base a which is equal to infinity. And e power log x value is always equal to x. And a power log x base a which is equal to x. And lastly, log e value is always equal to 1. Thank you for watching.